Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to another crypto update. Today we are going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, SparkPoint, and Polkadot. So, without further ado, let's get into it. But I do want to say that I am not a financial advisor, so anything you do is on you, and you should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin. So, we did bounce off this target that we placed a couple of days ago on Bitcoin. We bounced off that target, went back down, tested the 20 EMA, which was very healthy, and then we had this little bull pennant, as you can see over here. So let me just show you how this works. So this is an impulsive move, and then we started moving sideways, and this was a bull pennant, as you can see. And then we did breakout, and the breakout, you measure up this impulsive move, and you have the breakout there, and that is exactly what happened. That's how you know your breakout out of the bull pennant. And we did get through this target, and now we are testing it as resistance. So eventually we're gonna get through it. I would like to see the EMA creep up a little bit higher. Then we could retest it once again just to add more fuel to our tank, and then we can break through this resistance level and march on basically, and get to our next target, which is the previous all-time high at 61,851. So yes, Bitcoin looking very healthy, guys. On the RSI, we are not looking overbought, at least for now. The volume's coming in pretty good. So I wouldn't say that we are necessarily doing bad with Bitcoin. Very bullish right now. Let's jump into Polkadot next. So on the 4-hour chart on Polkadot. So what is happening right now is we did make this head and shoulders pattern. And what I do see happening as well is we have formed this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So there are a couple of patterns playing out. So this is the head, this is the shoulder, and this is the shoulder. Or you could perhaps say that this was the shoulder. So very different patterns playing out right now, and it's difficult to say what's going to happen next with Polkadot. It did get a pump recently, so I don't know if there were any announcements, but Polkadot did get a nice impulsive wave over here, as you can see. So that was very good. And so yes, we have a couple of patterns playing out right now, and we do have this neckline over here. So it doesn't matter if this is an inverse or a head and shoulders pattern, an inverse or not an inverse head and shoulders pattern. It doesn't really matter, because what we need to do is we need to stay above this neckline, as you can see. If we manage to stay above this neckline, then I think we're going to be going up, and we're not going to come back to this level. Now, as you can see, this blue zone over here, this is the buying zone. This is where you want to buy if Polkadot comes back down a bit with its price. So yes, I think Polkadot is very good right now. Looking very good. Target this 20 EMA retest if you want to buy in right now. If not, expect us to come back here, because why do I say that we are going to come back there? Let me just bring up the fib that I have over here. So here's our fib from the bottom all the way to the impulsive wave. Now, look at these patterns. Patterns do tend to repeat themselves. So we tested the 0.618, tested the 0.5, tested the 0.382 level, then we peaked out, went back down, and tested the 0.5 level again. Another impulsive wave, peaked out, went back, and tested the 0.382 level, didn't quite get to the 0.5 level. Then we had another impulsive wave here, level of consolidation, then we went back down and even almost tested the 0.618 level, which is the golden ratio. But we did end up hitting the 0.5 level. Then we went back up, another impulsive wave, followed by another impulsive wave, and then we went back down. We tested the 0.5, went even further down, and this was our local bottom at $27.4. Then we went back up, started testing the 0.618 level, and then we tested the 0.5 level once again, and now we have another impulsive wave. So if you see what's happening right now is we are starting to get a little bit overbought on the RSI, as you can see. Not really overbought right now, but this is potentially what could happen. So this area right here, this is the level between the 0.382 and the 0.5 level. This is where you could buy in, because we could have a dip down here, just like we had over here, and then we can have another impulsive wave. Perhaps this one would be higher than the next one. So this is the buy zone that you need to have in mind over here. We could break down even further the 0.618 level, but I don't see that happening. If we do, then target this price over here at $31.25. So also, if we are going to break down, target this resistance level, guys, over here at $35.61. And if we were to completely break down and Bitcoin is breaking down, this is the price that we can expect to. This is our local bottom right here at $27.63. But I don't think we are going to be coming back to that price. So the volume is doing all right at the moment. And let's check our MACD. So as you can see on the MACD, we made a bearish cross over here, and now we are looking to make a bullish cross on the MACD. So we'll see how that plays out. On the 20 EMA, we did make this bullish cross over here, and this carried the price up. So expect at least a retest of the 20 EMA, and we'll see how this goes, guys. We need to hold this neckline over here. So it's okay if we bounce off of it. That won't be a big issue. But if we can hold this, you're going to look for a further breakdown, and this will validate the head and shoulders pattern that we have over here. But if we were to break up, that means that we did hold this, and we validated the inverse head and shoulders pattern, guys. And this is looking that this is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the right shoulder. So a couple of patterns playing out right now. So we did have our inverse head and shoulders here. We didn't hold the neckline. We broke down. Now we started to come back up, and we have another inverse head and shoulders pattern over here. So this is looking very interesting, guys. I am involved in Polkadot. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you. So I obviously would like this project to do very well. But if this is a long-term hold for you, then you only need to buy the dips, because this project is going places, and when the FOMO kicks in, when the real FOMO and mania kick in, you know, the prices are gonna skyrocket. So buy the dips. You gotta buy over here, buy over here, buy here, buy here. Get a dollar cost average, guys. So yes, let's see if we can hold this line. If not, have these levels, guys, over here, and have these buying levels here as well. This is going to be a good buying zone at from the range of 34.65 to $33. That is a good buying range if we indeed do break down. So that's it for Polkadot. Now let's jump into SparkPoint. So jumping into SparkPoint on the 4-hourly. Now we did have a good resistance line over here and a good support line. So this was a resistance over here quite early when this was added to KuCoin. Then we did bounce off here once. So let's say this was 1 touch, 2, 3, and now 4. And we did break down from it. So that was bearish. Now we are in a downtrend, and we did bottom out here at this level, at the 0.014 level. I do apologize, guys. I had the wrong EMA set up for the red one. So we did make a bearish cross here, and we brought the price down. Then we made a bullish cross over here. Price peaked out, and then we went back down and broke below the support line. Now, this line right here, this is a resistance line, because we had 1 touch here, 1 touch here, almost a touch here, one touch here, and a lot of resistance over here. So perhaps when we are coming back up, this will be a resistance line that we are going to need to break through. And the same thing goes with this line over here. So we had a touch here, two touches here, another two touches here, a lot of resistance over here, or support, should I say, and resistance here and resistance here. So this is going to be one of the main resistance lines as well. Now, if we throw the fib up, let's do that right now to see where we are. So from the impulsive wave all the way down, how we are doing right now. So we did have an impulsive wave, went all the way down. Then we went, as you can see, we did touch this level here, and now we touch this level here. So this looks like a good support level. Then we went back up, tested the 0.5 level, went back down. We did go up, broke through these fib levels here, and we tested the 0.786 level. Couldn't hold it, went back down, shot all the way down. Now we did have another impulsive wave here, tested the 0.618 level, couldn't hold that, went back down, made a bearish cross on the EMAs, and we were overbought here as well. So that's why this happened, and we got pulled back down, and this is looking like a downtrend right now. So what we are looking to do right now is break through this resistance, break through this fib level, and then march on to at least this 0.382 level in the next 2 days. That is what I would like to see for us to be in a bullish scenario, guys. Failing that, we might even break further down, and you could test this next bottom as another buying opportunity if we do indeed break down, guys. So you apologize about that. So yes, currently we are looking a bit bearish on SparkPoint. I'm not gonna lie. I want to stay honest with you guys. No bullshit here on this channel. So like I said, we need to come back and test these fib levels of 0.5, 0.618. That's when we can. So yes, we just need a little bit more volume kicking in. We need some events. I did check the events for SparkPoint. They don't have many events coming up right now. So actually, they don't have any events right now. So if we have some announcement that can spike the price up, they did have a token burn recently, and that just uh, had a huge. I think this was when the token got. Yes, this was the token burn, I believe. So yes. Uh, everyone who's holding SparkPoint, guys, don't worry, don't sell at a loss. Never sell at a loss. You can try swing trading here, guys. So what this means is you have your coins, you buy them over here. You sell them somewhere over here on the top, then you buy back in at this dip. Then you sell over here, buy back in here, and now we're waiting for our impulsive wave, and you can expect us to come back to this level, the 0.214 level. That's when you can try to sell off your tokens, basically, and then buy back in at a retest of a previous level, because in an impulsive wave, we do tend to hit resistance, come back down and test the previous level, whether it would be fib or the resistance level. So, and that's how you swing trade and increase your position, guys. So that is it for this video. I know some people hold Polkadot and SparkPoint on this channel, so I wanted to cover them because I haven't done that in quite a while. Do test these levels. I'm gonna stop the video right there just so you have all the prices. These are most of them are resistance right now, but we do have these two support levels below us. So if we did break down, target them. So yes, guys, you can copy this chart. This is the 4-hourly chart, and draw this for yourself. Have the EMA set up, the 20 EMA, then 55 EMA, and look at the charts yourself, guys. So do your own research before investing. Thank you for watching. Leave all the comments below, guys, that you want. Tell me what you want to cover next. And thank you for the support, and I do appreciate it. I really do, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.